Hi guys, welcome back to aking channel. For today's video guys, we're going to cook soup. It's called pear soup. Yan, ini-slice ko na yung pear ko guys, para easy. Easy soup lang to siya guys, just boil 1.5 hour. So I have this one, the Chinese herbs. It's called nanqing. Don't know how to call it in English, but ito lang siya. This one. So my woolberries, just wash all the thing first before you put inside. Red dates, dry one, and the preserved red dates one. And I have 500 grams of pork bone here. So I have here the pot. I just boiled it. Just put all together inside guys, and then just boil half an hour, 1.5 hour. Then lagyan natin yung pear. Ito, ilagay mo lang lahat yan. Tapos just boiled for 1.5 hour. This soup guys, very good for coffee, phlegm, reduce phlegm, because of this this herbal soup. This one, yung puti, this one, this called banchin. I don't know how to pronounce. It's good for it's also good for our body, for heaty body, kasi nagpapaano to ng heaty body, kaya lagi akong nagluluto talaga nito guys, lalo na ngayon na grabing init dito sa Singapore. So luto tayo nito para magbawas-bawasan yung init ng ating katawan. Char lang. Ayan guys, just wait for 1.5 hour and see you later. So ayan na siya guys, almost 1.5 hour na siya. So now, lagyan natin ng salt, konting salt lang. Ganyan ka-salty siya. Tapos, haluin mo lang siya. Then, ready to serve our pear soup. Tikman natin anong lasa niya. Sarap! Sweet siya guys, sweet. Konting sweet. Kasi yung pear is sweet. Ready to serve na siya guys.